Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to stream Xfinity on Roku. That's right, how to stream Xfinity on Roku TV in 2025. The first thing you need to do is install the Xfinity Stream app. So press the home button on your Roku remote, go to streaming channels and then search for Xfinity Stream. So you type it in Xfinity Stream and then you install the app. Once you've done that, you have to launch the app from your Roku home screen. The next thing you're going to do is to sign in with Xfinity credentials. So select sign in and enter your Xfinity ID and password. You must be an active subscriber. If you're prompted, you have to approve the login via the Xfinity app or website for verification. Next, you have to activate your device if it is required. Some users may see an activate device screen with a code. So visit xfinity.com/activate on the phone/PC, enter the code and confirm. Next thing you're going to do is start streaming. Now you're logged in, so browse live TV, on-demand shows or DVD or DVR content. Here are some troubleshooting tips for you. If the app crashes, all you have to do is restart your Roku by going to settings, tapping on system and selecting restart, and ensure your Roku OS is updated. Always make sure it is updated. Hope you found this video helpful. Drop a comment if you need help and subscribe for more streaming guides. See you in the next video.